Hello everyone, today I have a review of another Spanish knife, this time from the J&V Adventure Company model Campera. Black purse for storing the knife, a blue paracord, and the manufacturer's leaflet in English and Spanish. Total length is 19.7 centimeters, blade length is 8.7 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters, blade steel is Sandvik 14C28N. It's a Swedish stainless steel, very good quality with very little impurchase, tempered between 59 to 60 HRC, 7 finish. On the blade you can see the name of the model, Campera. Inscription handmade in Spain, which means we have a handmade knife, the company logo, depicting a wolf howling at the moon, the company name, J&V, and the name of the steel, 14C28N, liner lock with brass inscription on it. The handle scales are made of blue micarta. I really like this color. Hole for paracord. In summary, very simple and classic knife for everyday work, that it's not a slip joint or backlock. Pocket clip deficiency doesn't interfere with wearing it at all. Gentle shapes makes that your phone won't be damaged in your pocket. It's easy and very smooth to open, despite there is no nail nick here. This is due to the lock and the method of opening. Slip joints and backlocks, however, put up more resistance when opening. Great knife, nice for EDC, and Spanish workmanship and Swedish steel are a very good combination. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.